let's try this. Colorize this photo. Pretty impressive. Now turn this into nighttime with a Milky Way in the sky. No way. All right, what about this? Blur the background of this photo. Very nice. Now remove all the people from this photo. Holy smokes. Or how about this? Add crazy people in the street protesting. No way. This is insane. This AI just killed Photoshop. It's super powerful. It's so easy to use, and it's completely free. So in this video, I am going to show you all the cool things that you can do with it. So to use the new Gemini Flash image generator, you need to go to AI Studio from Google, and you're just going to click here. Now, for the first image edit, I am just going to upload this image. Now, I'm just going to ask it to add another robot. Now, as you can see, it has added another robot to this scene. Although the full body of the robot cannot be seen, the style of the image is the same. And that is what I like about this image generator, that you don't have to specify the style of the image to make a good edit. Now, we are going to edit another image. For this image, I am going to ask the AI model to change the color of the shirt of the man to red. So, let's see whether it can do it or not. This was the original picture that I uploaded, and this is the edited picture. As you can see, the facial expression and the face of the man are not changed at all, and nothing else is changed either. The AI has successfully changed the color of the shirt. To create this kind of edit in Photoshop, it would take around 2 to 3 hours, and now I can just do the same thing in 9 seconds. So this is a huge win for AI. Now, let's see how good it is with camera movement. I'm just going to ask the AI to create a huge zoom out for the image. So let's run the prompt. This time, the image was not good. There are a lot of distortions, and the streets also look really bad. I think this model is still not very good at creating camera movements, so that is something you need to take into account when creating these images. Also, Gemini 2.5 Flash Pro is really not that good at creating images. For example, I'm just going to give this prompt, and it is going to generate the image. But as you can see, the image is not really that great. There is a lot of distortion in the mouth, etc., and the image quality is also not that great. So Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview is only good for editing images. Now, if you want to generate really good images for free, then you need to come to the Generate Media section and click on Image. Here, you will be able to use the best image generator from Google right now for creating your images. One thing here is that you cannot use this model to edit your images. You can only generate your images, but it is really good at generating images. So again, I'm going to give this model the same prompt, and you will understand the difference. As you can see, the quality of this image generator is really good, and the man has 5 fingers. The emotions and the facial expression and everything in this anime-style picture are really good, and it is really great at creating backgrounds that are not distorted in any way. So you can generate these images from here for free. Now, you can also generate realistic images here. I'm going to create another image of a woman eating. Let's run the prompt. This is the image generation that I got, and it is really good. The quality of the image is great, and this woman also has 5 fingers. Now, you can just download the image and go to the Gemini Flash Preview image generator and upload the image. Now, using this AI model, you will be able to make some pretty wild changes, which you would not think you could make with any AI model from Google. I'm going to give the AI model this prompt, which is, make this character stand on a beach. Now, as you can see, the woman looks quite like the picture, and the woman is standing on a beach. Now, I am going to give it another prompt to edit the image, which is, give the character beach-appropriate clothing. So let's see what happens now. It just generated the same image. So I'm going to change the prompt to add this section. Let's see whether this AI model will be able to generate it or not. So as you can see, the image model has finally generated what I wanted. And this kind of generation from a Google AI model is pretty insane. Like, if you wanted to generate the same image from the same model, like a month ago, it would have been completely censored. But now, this Google's censorship is much, much lower. Now, you might think that the woman looks nothing like the woman in the picture. So, to fix that, you would just need to add this text to the prompt, which is, do not change the facial expression or the face of the woman at all. Then, you will be able to generate perfectly fine pictures with consistent characters. But I forgot to do that here. Now, let's create a new chat. And let me show you another useful tip for using this model, which is for influencer marketing. Like, if I upload the same image of this AI-generated Instagram model and upload a picture of a water bottle and give the AI model this prompt, make the character hold the water bottle. Do not change the face of the character at all. Now, as you can see, the character is holding the water bottle, and the face of the character has not changed at all. You can see that this woman and this woman have the same face. Now, you can just download the image. And you can also create videos in Google AI Studio using the VO2 model for completely free. So I'm just going to upload the image here and ask the AI model to animate it. Now, as you can see, the video animation was really cool, but I should have specified that the woman should first open the cap of the bottle. But that is no problem because every generation here is completely free. Now, let's see how good it is at creating thumbnails. So this is a pretty popular picture of a thumbnail. This YouTube video got around 167 million views. So this thumbnail is great. So let's see whether this model can edit this thumbnail properly. And if it can do that, then all the jobs of thumbnail designers are getting replaced by this AI for completely free. So I'm just going to ask the AI model to change the pit to a lava pit. As you can see, the AI model has changed the pit to a lava pit, and it has kept all the qualities of the image, like the surface, the 3D render kind of style. Now, I'm just going to ask the AI model to enhance the image. For this image, the AI could not really enhance it. Now, if you want to actually enhance the image, then you would just need to go to the Gemini 2.5 Pro model, upload the picture to create a description of the image. So Gemini 2.5 Pro has generated the description. You would just need to copy this description of the image, go to Generate Media, go to Image Gen, and run the prompt. Lastly, add this line, which is to make the style of the image photorealistic. Then choose the 9:16 ratio from here to create the image for a YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, the image looks pretty good. Now, you can just download this high-quality image right here. Then you can go again to the Gemini Flash model and upload your image to edit it if you want to. But if I wanted to, let's say, add some trees, as you can see, this model has added some trees, and these trees have the same kind of realistic style as the whole image. So it is safe to say that this free AI image editor has completely destroyed Photoshop and all the jobs of thumbnail designers.